everybody. Today the tale I want to share with you is from Jamaica, and it is Tiger Soup by Francis Temple, and it features Anansi. And Anansi is a naughty little trickster spider who a lot of the stories focus in Africa, but this one is from Jamaica. So, Tiger Soup. It's a fine day down by the side of the Blue Hole, and Tiger is cooking. Tiger has a fire, and he has a pot, and in the pot he is putting everything that can make a soup delicious. Here's his stirring the pot. Tiger is stirring the soup with a big spoon. From time to time he takes the spoon from the pot. He sticks out his pink tongue, shuts his eyes, and tastes the soup. He said, the soup needs coconut. Tiger scatters in coconut, but he slowly takes another taste. Ooh, he says, shaking his head. Better, better, better. What about I put some fresh mango in? Tiger chops the mango, flings it in. Ah, yes, said Tiger, sniffing the steam. This is a sweet soup. Now, maybe just a little pinch of nutmeg. Now along comes Anansi, dancing through the forest. His nose is in the air, sniffing the breeze. Says Anansi, I smell sweet soup. And he rubs his belly. Soup time, Anansi, my dear. Anansi swings out of the woods, lands just beside Tiger. Oh, brother Tiger, such a happy surprise to see you here. And you are so busy working, my friend. I'm just cooking, brother Anansi. It's nothing but a little soup to satisfy the working man's hunger. Yay, said Anansi. I'm not so fond of soup myself. Sure is hot today. Not so, brother Tiger. Nothing in the world so nice as a swim in the Blue Hole on a hot day like today. I'm not a swimmer, brother Anansi, so I wouldn't know about that, said Tiger. Ah, said Anansi, shaking his head. Such a shame to live your whole life near Blue Hole and never take a swim. You want me to teach you how to swim, brother Tiger? It's always a pleasure to help a friend. Well, Anansi, is that? I do appreciate the offer, but right now I'm planning to eat some soup. That's soup, said Anansi. That soup looks mighty hot and nasty, brother Tiger. That soup will burn your tongue, my friend. Let me just wait then, says Tiger. The soup will cool. You know, said Anansi, stretching his legs this way and that, swimming in Blue Hole has like magic. How's that, brother Anansi? Swimming does make plain, ordinary soup taste like an angel soup, brother Tiger. The soup, already delicious, brother Anansi, said the Tiger. Tiger is thinking, how am I going to get shed of this lazy fellow so I can eat my soup? Right then, Anansi says, brother Tiger, I am bound and determined to teach you to swim today. Let's get started so I can be on my busy way. On your busy way, brother Anansi? Agreed, said Tiger. Tiger and Anansi stand by the edge of the Blue Hole. They look down past their feet to the water. We close our eyes, said Anansi. Then I will count to 3 and we both dive in. Right, said Tiger. And he shuts his eyes tight. We close our eyes, you count to 3, we both jump in. Yes, said Anansi, one eye on Tiger, one eye on the soup. 1, 2, 3, yells Anansi. On 3, he chunks a big coconut into the water. Splash! Tiger, his eyes tight shut, hovers. Here I come, brother Anansi. Splash! So Anansi didn't go in, did he? He threw a coconut in. Ooh, said the Tiger, coming up all wet in the Blue Hole. This is nice. This is fine. Where are you, brother Anansi? Ooh, I do like the swimming. And off he goes, splashing and singing. Back on shore, Anansi quick grabs up the spoon to slurp down all the soup. Then, fast as he can drag his fat self, he scurries off to the woods. Anansi is scared of Tiger now. He slides along over branches, under leaves, thinking and thinking till he comes to Little Monkey's town. All the little monkeys are playing outside, shooting nutmegs down to the ground. So there's the monkeys. There's Anansi. whispers Anansi. Come, come. The little monkeys are curious. Chee-chee! Who is this fat fellow with all the legs? What will he say to us? I heard a new song today, said Anansi. The little monkeys, they love a new song. So they all come together near. Is like this, said Anansi, and he begins to tap his toes and sing. Just a little while ago, we ate the tiger soup. Just a little while ago, we ate the tiger soup. Try it, little monkeys. And they do. Did you hear what he was singing? Just a little while ago, we ate the tiger soup. Pretty soon, all the little monkeys are dancing and singing with Anansi, beating sticks together, shaking shells, making that song a song. So Anansi, leading the dance quick, thinks up another verse. Yum, 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 yum. Taste that coconut. Yum, 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 yum. Taste that coconut. Yes. Before Brother Anansi is so full with soup, he can dance no more. Not only he tired, he fit to die laughing. Anansi falls down on his back, all his little legs in the air, and goes right on singing. Yum, 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 yum. A little bit of sweet mango. Yum, 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 yum. A little bit of sweet mango. Anansi feels a thump come up through the grounds. Seems like he hears a roar in the woods. Roar. The little monkeys, they are so busy dancing, they hear only the song. Anansi calls to the little monkeys, one more time now. Little monkeys, sing it loud, and they do. Just a little while ago, we ate the tiger soup. Just then, Tiger pokes his head out from behind a bush. And Anansi's gone. All the little monkeys there dancing and yelling their song for Tiger alone. Tiger's ears stand up, and his fur stands up, and his teeth stand up, and he stands up, and he roars. Little monkey is me, Tiger. Just a little while ago, you ate the tiger soup, and now the tiger going to eat you. But in the time it takes Tiger to roar, all the little monkeys swing up into the trees, where they've been living safe ever since. So there we go. Anansi taught them a naughty song, and the tiger thinks that they are the one who ate the soup. Now, I wanted to let you know that on August the 11th, Michelle Washington Wilson is going to present our multicultural folktales from around the world. So don't forget to check out that program. And in your craft bag, you're going to have a little spider craft and something else fun to do. So don't forget to pick it up. Bye, guys.